Question number 34. Integration minus 1 to 1 x raised to power 17 cos 4x dx. Minus 1 to 1 x raised to power 17 cos 4x dx. Let fx is equal to minus 1 to 1 x raised to power 17 cos 4x dx. F of minus x is equal to minus 1 to 1 minus x raised to power 17 and cos 4 minus x dx. We know that cos minus x is equal to cos x. F of minus x is equal to minus 1 to 1 minus 1 raised to power 17 into x raised to power 17 and cos 4x dx. Cos minus x is equal to positive cos x. So f of minus x is equal to minus time of minus 1 to 1 minus 1 raised to power odd number, that is equal to minus 1, and x raised to power 17 cos 4 x dx. So f of minus x is equal to minus time of fx. So by the property of minus a to a, fx dx is equal to 0 if f is odd function and f of minus x is equal to minus time of fx. So integration is equal to limit minus 1 to 1 x raised to power 17 cos 4x dx. Integration is equal to 0. Answer. Question number 35. Limit 0 to pi by 2 sine 3x dx equal to 2 upon 3. 0 to pi by 2 sine 3x dx, that is equal to limit lies 0 to pi upon 2 and sine cube x we can write sine square x into sine x dx, and sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Next step is 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Let cos x is equal to t, then minus sin x dx is equal to dt. And when limit lies 0, sin x dx is equal to minus dt. When x is equal to 0, then t is equal to cos 0 is 1. And when x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to cos 90 degree is 0. But limit lies 1 to 0, 1 minus t square into sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Minus dt, minus is out of integration, and limit lies 1 to 0 integration of 1 minus t square dt. Integration of 1, that is equal to minus integration of 1 with dt is t, and integration of t square, that is minus t raised to power 3 upon 3, and limit lies 1 to 0. This implies minus time of, first of all we are putting upper limit, that is 0, and 0 minus 0 raised to power 3 upon 3, that is 0 minus. Then lower limit is 1 minus 1 cube is 1 upon 3. So we get minus into this is 0, and 3 ones are 3 minus 1 upon 3, and negative sign, negative minus minus, this will be positive, and we get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3. Answer, that is our right hand side. Given question is limit 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx, and we can write sine cube x, that is sine square x into sine x, and sine square x is equal to sine square x, that is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Its formula, and we are putting sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into sine x dx. Let us assume cos x is equal to t, but derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x dx is equal to dt, and sin x dx is equal to minus time of dt. We put sin x dx is equal to minus dt, and minus is out of integration, and integral limit lies when x is equal to 0, then cos 0 is equal to 1, t varies 1, and when x is equal to pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and t is equal to 0, and limit lies 1 to 0 dt, and integration of 1 with dt is t, and t square integration is equal to t raised to power 3 upon 3, and limit lies 1 to 0, minus time. Then upper limit is 0, and we are putting t 0, 0 minus 0 cube upon 3 is equal to 0, minus time of, then lower limit is 1, t is 1 minus 1 cube is 1 upon 3, that is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 is 3 ones are 3 minus 1 upon 3, and this minus multiplied by negative sign, this will be positive, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 2 upon 3, that is our right hand side answer. Thank you so much.